So in this video we will discuss the second question of our sheet number 4. So in this question, the top view of a 75 long AB line measures 65 while the length of its front view is 50 Its 1 and A is in the HP and 12 in front of the VP. We need to draw the projections and determine the inclinations of this line with respect to the HP and the VP. Okay, so we have a line whose true length is given to us as 75 This is the first data we have. Then we have its length of the top view is also given to us as 65 Length of its front view is also given to us as 50 Then its one end is in HP and the other end is 12 in front of the VP. So this distance will be seen from the top view only, this 12 distance. So these are the given data. So we can write them. We have the top view as we have the true length. The first data in our 12 data which we had discussed in our previous lectures is given to us as the 75 Then we have the length of the top view, which was our sixth data as per that list. The length of the top view as 65 The seventh data, length of the front view is 50 Then the point is on HP. That is the locus of the A dash is given to us as on HP, and we have the HP and 12 in front of the VP. That means the locus of the A is also given to us as the locus of A, also given to us as the this is the locus, okay, of A dash. So these are the given data. This is the true length, this is the length of the top view, and this is the length of the front view. These are the given data. So in order to draw its projections, let us consider that this is the XY line, this is the XY line. Okay, the A dash, the point one end is on the HP, so this will represent, for example, the A dash. The next point A is 12 so this is the, for example, 12 that it is the 12 point A. This is the point A. Then we have the length of the top view as the 65 So we will make a line. Let us red color representing the length of the top view, which is 65 That it is the 65 and the length of the front view, which is 50 So it is 50 For example, red color is used to represent the length of the top view and front. Okay, this is 50 Okay, this is 50 So these four datas we have used here. Now we have the length, the true length of the line as the 75 So by keeping in mind the first lecture of the sheet 4, what we will do, we will use the compass. And measure it, the 75 on it. The length of the true 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 7.5. So this is 75 Okay, this is 75 Okay, then we will project this point. Will represent the point. This point will represent the B1, and this is representing the B2 dash. Okay, by following that figure, the first general discussion question, we have to project this point B1 on the top, on above the XY line, in order to get the B1 dash. That is the true length of the line. So this is the projector, and similarly we need to project this B2 dash point below the XY line in order to get the true length. Now the true length is 75 so we will place one end of the compass here and then rotate this compass. So wherever this arc will cut the projector of the B1, that will give us the point B1 dash. And similarly for the below one, we will keep it on A now. We'll make an arc like this. Okay, so we will extend this projector. Yes, we will extend this projector. So wherever this arc is touching the projector, that will give us the point B1 dash. and this point will be the B2. B2, we will join them. We will join them. A dash to B1 dash and A to B2. A to B2. So these two lines are representing the true length of the line. Then we have to draw the projections. We know that the point B1, the point B dash will lie on the locus of B1, will lie somewhere here, and the point B will lie on the locus of B2 somewhere here, somewhere here. For that to draw, what we will do, we will take the compass. We will take the compass, place it here, place it on B1, place it on B1 like this, and we'll make an arc. We'll make an arc. Similarly, for the front projection of the line, we will place it here. We will place it here. Okay. Then we'll make an arc. Then we'll make an arc. So wherever that arc is cutting the project and the locus of B1 dash, that will give us the point B1 B dash, and wherever the arc is cutting the locus of the B2, that will give us the point B. That will give us the point B. So this is B dash, and this is B. So with this we have finished the projections. Now we can measure the angles. We can measure the angles. We can measure the angles. So this will give us the alpha. This will give us the alpha. This will give us the theta. This will give us the beta, and this angle will give us the phi. We can measure them and write in our answer. Thank you. Let me erase all this. So this is the projection. This is the projection. Okay. Thank you.